Okay. Then I want to create a Minecraft server, and I watched this blog. This blog since with Google AWS game team to create it. So we can follow this tutorial to make our own Minecraft server. Following this tutorial, we can hosting our server in AWS. And sometimes if we want to uh, add the mode or plugin, we also can control using Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud to run microserver for you and your friend. And using EC2, you don't need to have your own server. You just using AWS provided service. This can help you to make your server. So this is very good service. And your EC2 will run in the Amazon Visual Private Cloud. What this means is using Amazon's network and provide the stuff deploys your Minecraft server in the cloud. First, we need to have the Alice account and the Minecraft Java Edition account. The two options is required. Then we need to set up the EC2 instance. In order to run the Minecraft Java server, we need to create a virtual machine using Amazon EC2. So we log in to Alice console. Wait, that's MA issue, but I solved it. We need to select the region. If you are in US, Asia, you choose Asia region. So it's automatic select the resort. Or I can see Osaka, Singapore. But just using the resort. The next we need to in this search EC2 with launch instance. And give the name Minecraft server or what you want is using to identify. You know what's your server name. That's okay. According you choose. And we using the default options, Amazon Linux. And in here, you can see Amazon Linux 2023 AMI using the ARM architecture 64-bit. The instance types is recommended to using the T4G small, but I can choose. So I using it to T2 micro default. For security, you need to create a key pair for your server. So if you have the key pair, you can select it from here, but we hadn't. So we need to create a new key pair, just using a default server. To create a key pair, use automatic download, and we need to take it careful because if we want to change something, we need to list Minecraft server. And next, we need to modify this network setting. Find this integral is using default. That's when we go through the security group. We need to make the sound change. It's named Minecraft security group. And we need to provide the sound description using for Minecraft security for Minecraft server and SSH. SSH traffic is used for let us to connect to the EC2. You can see this is a protocol that you can connect the Minecraft server from your computer to your AWS. For security, maybe we want to in the specific regions user can connect to our EC2 to manage our server. We need to set his IP address. So if you are from China, you don't want to let another country's people to connect your areas. You can just to set this IP address from China. So we need to open this document. In the Windows pause off, or in here you command cmd cmc IP range.json. If you don't how to download, you just click this URL. You don't know what's your regions, you can look at this table. Let's look to see a north one, but I need to compare. Look at this, and copy his IP previous, and I need to translate the source type using custom. Or you can directly using my IP. We need to add the TCP traffic that another user can join our server. We click this button at the security group of rule, and here has customer TCP. We using anywhere because I want to the global user joins my server, and we need to state the port range according this 25565 allow Minecraft server connection. The next we need to create a script that you build the Minecraft environment and his had a rule and user license agreement. Maybe let user to agree some policy. This configure storage is according you need, and we state 8 gigabytes. For create a script, you need to click this. This configure storage is according you need, and we state 8 gigabytes. For create a script, you need to click this advanced detail and scroll down. It's hard user data. We copy the code and paste to here. This is a shell script. You need to set in the Minecraft URL, and he will duplicate to download this Minecraft from the Minecraft Office website. And here is the sounds Minecraft server setting. For the URL, we need to go to the Minecraft server download page. Okay, no. In this page, we copy link address. We go back to our AWS script past our URL. If you want to change your version about my code, you need to search the JR file. You can here find the older version, and here's hard link the same ways. Copy the link and paste to your server URL. It's okay. And next, we can launch our instance. We click it, launch instance. You can see his occurred success. And you need to note our IP address is the dynamic. It means if you turn off your EC2, your public IP will change. So in next time, you need to provide another IP address for the player. But he's had some solution to solving this problem. Maybe you need to buy a domain name and binding your domain name to your server. But we maybe talk about it later video. And now I want to talk about how to get a static IP address because the dynamic IP address is very in effect. If you want to use it, you need to learning how to using the elastic IP address. And the elastic IP address is require pay, so depending on your choose. If you want to build the elastic IP address, you can go to your EC2 dashboard, or you can EC2 or EC2 to a dashboard. And from the left side, search elastic IP. Okay, but I don't have too much money, so maybe when I get the money later, I will teach you how to use this. For a successful created EC2 instance, you can go to this instance page, and in here, his origin like this. You click this checkbox, you will find the public IP address, just a copy it. And we need to open my Minecraft launcher to open your Minecraft. Select the Java edition and deploy. If you are interested in the Bedrock edition, you can to deploy your Bedrock server. Okay, open it and add a server. The Micro server and the path our IP address down. Okay, you can see. You can join. Hello, welcome to my server. The server had a lower performance because we're using the cost-safe schedule. If you want to improving your server performance, please choose a higher performance server. Okay, we did it because it needs cost. I don't have the name on cost. We need to terminate our start instance. Start instance. Just a start instance can let you open your server in the next time if you want to reuse. If you want to totally delete, just use your terminate. But terminate your server, you need to restart the previous step for create your server. So we just select the start instance.